channel. It's a new day and I am so excited because today's video is going to be mind-blowing. I'm going to share with you 4 different tips on how you can make your website or blog become search engine friendly. So guys, please sit back and enjoy. The first one is creating rich content. What I mean by rich content is high quality content that are going to remain relevant in a long time. You don't want to create content that after a period of time, people are not actually interested in this type of content anymore. You want your content to be top notch, up to date, and relevant. Okay, my next tip is making research. What I mean by making research is whatever content you are going to put out there, you need to know how people are searching for this content. What particular word are people using to search for this content? And that's where keywords come. Keywords is very important for any type of content you're posting, be it video content or write-ups. You want to make sure that you are maximizing the use of the keywords that people are actually searching for. Fact is, you might already be imputing these keywords when you're writing your content, but there are several other words that you might have omitted, which will actually do very well for your content if you have them inside your content. So you want to try as much as possible to make research and find out what people are actually searching for. People that are going to be interested in your type of content, what exactly are they searching for? I'm going to leave links to about 2 different or 3 different sites where you can do this keywords research. The other one I'm going to share with you is mobile responsiveness. Mobile responsiveness, I'm sure you've heard of this. This is very important for any kind of website. You're into e-commerce, you're into writing, which is blogging, you're into just a business website, it needs to be ready for mobile world because a lot of people out there are actually searching for whatever they want on their mobile phone, and you want your website to be part of the result that is popping out or showing up to them. And if your website is not mobile ready, if it is not responsive enough, it's not going to come out. The search engine is just going to think it is not relevant for the person searching. And we have a higher number of people using the mobile phone. Imagine what you are losing, which is why you want to try as much as possible to ensure that your website is mobile ready. The sites where you can actually check this, I'm going to leave that in the description box where you can check how responsive your website is. And also, if you find out that your website is not mobile responsive, try as much as possible to reach out to your developer to let them help you work on your website. The last tip I'm going to touch is image optimization. What I mean by image optimization is you have to understand that the search engine doesn't understand images the way we humans understand the image. We can see an image and identify what it is, but the search engine will not identify it. That is why there is what we call the alternate text. The alternate text allows you to give a description of what the image is all about, and that actually helps the search engine to pick up whatever type of image you have. When you have readers or viewers or interested people who are searching for that particular type of content. So if you have an image that says that this is a machine, or the image is actually a machine, what type of machine this is, you need to actually indicate it in your description. Let your description of the image be detailed enough so that when the search is crawling through website, it picks up your website as a result for those that are searching for that particular type of machine. So try as much as possible to make use of the alternate text when uploading your images. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Yes, before you go, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you guys.